Dear students, in this lecture, we are going to prove a result on normal operators, set of all normal operators. So let us see the result. The result is like this. Let n1 and n2, let n1 and n2 be normal operators, on H such that n1 n2 star equals to n2 star n1 equals to n2 star n1. Then we have to prove that n1 plus n2 and n1 composition n2, that is n1 n2, are also normal operators on H, So proof: since H is Hilbert space, throughout this chapter H denotes Hilbert space. Since n1 and n2 are normal operators, on H, we have n1 star equals to n1 star n1 and n2 star and n2 star equals to n2 star n2. So this is first result. Also, it is given that n1 n2 star equals to n2 star n1, which implies, on taking adjoint, that n1 n2 star equals to n2 star n1, take adjoint. This implies that n2 star n1 equals to n1 star n2 star. But adjoint of adjoint results into original operator. So this implies that we have n2, I should have written n1 star here, n1 star equals to n1 star n2. Thus, we have the given result that n1 n2 star equals to n2 star n1, n2 star equals to n2 star n1, and we have obtained this result as well. So say n2 n1 star equals to n1 star n2. This is second result. Now, using these two results, you can easily prove that n1 plus n2 and n1 n2 are normal operators. So let us see their proof. So in order to prove that n1 and n2 are normal operators, we must prove that n1 plus n2 n1 plus n2 star commutes with its adjoint. So this, if you simplify, that is going to be equal to n1 plus n2, n1 star plus n2 star. Note that it is fairly simple to prove this result. Once we note this, it is just a matter of calculations or verifications. So this I can write as n1 n1 star plus n1 n2 star plus n2 n1 star plus n2 n2 star. Further simplify this. This is going to be equal to n1, I can take common from this, n1 I can take common, but I want to write it as, say, n1 star n1 plus this I could write as n2 star n1 plus, now I want to take n2 star common from this, so this I am going to write as n1 star n2 plus n2 star n2. This all follows from first and second. This all follows from first and second. I have commuted every term. So this follows from first and second, which we have written it here. It is just a matter of verification. So you try to verify this. This is going to be equal to, if you simplify, I could write it as n1 star plus n2 star. I am taking n1 common from these first two terms, so that will be n1 plus I am taking n2 common from these two terms, and that will give me n1 star plus n2 star n2. This is going to be equal to n1 star plus n2 star. Now this I am going to take common here. So what we will be left with is this n1 plus n2. So that is going to be equal to, now this is equal to n1 plus n2 star by properties of adjoint, n1 plus n2. So thus what we have proved? We have proved that this n1 plus n2, n1 plus n2 star equals to n1 plus n1 is equals to this n1 plus n2 star n1 plus n2. So this proves that n plus n2 is normal operator on H. So n1 plus n2 is normal operator on H, is normal operator on H. Similarly, you can calculate what is n1, n2 and its adjoint, composition of their adjoint, and let us see whether we get the desired result or not. So again consider, for second property, let us consider that we have n1, n2 and their adjoint. So this is going to be equal to, simplify this, this is going to be equal to n1, n2 by, on taking adjoint, composition gets reversed. So this is going to be equal to n2 star n1 star. Since composition is associative, we could adjust this as we want. So what we want is this we want to be equal to, this we want to be equal to conjugate, that is, I want it as, say, n2 star, n1 star, and I want it here n1, n2. So let us adjust the terms accordingly. So I want to take n2 star over here. So for that purpose, I am going to adjust the brackets in this way. n1, n2, n2 star, n1 star. This I can write it as n1 by using first. So first we note that this is normal operator, so that I could write it as n2 star, n2 and n1 star. Now again I can put the brackets as I want because composition is associative. So that I am going to write it as n1, n2 star and n2, n1 star by using second. In second we have proved this. So by using second, n1, n2 star is equal to n2 star n1. This is actually given in the statement itself, and this I can write it as again as n1 star n2 from second, and this we had written from first. If you want references, you could put it here. So again I am going to use second and first. So n2 star brackets, this time I am going to put it in this fashion, n1, n1 star n2, and again from first I could write it as n2 star, n1 star n1, n2 from first, because this is normal operator. So this is going to be equal to this because it is normal operator. Then this would imply that, or I could put the brackets as n2 star, n1 star, n1, n2, and this is nothing but n1, n2, n1, n2 star, n1, n2. So this completes the proof that n1, n2 star equals to n1, n2 star, n1, n2, and hence n1, n2 is normal operator. So we have proved both properties, that n1 plus n2 and n1 and n2 are normal operators. Thank you.